But a quick focus on the markets. It's looking good. We're up 130 points. Well, Surbi, I'm not in on Monday, but I think you guys will be cheering to fresh all-time highs. Hopefully, the U.S. markets don't disappoint. But I think even if it's not a very deep cash that we see from the U.S. markets, the buy on dip will continue. And Monday morning, Surbi will be popping the champagne, I think so. Though you have a tea date with Anshul.
Yeah, Mondays are only tea and coffee. No chance. But yes, I think the mood has been very, very buoyant. And we've come... I mean, it's almost there, right? We were 30 points shy of that. So who knows? And in any case, even beyond the index, I think the party started long back. And we've seen a lot of that. So 18,826, pretty much around this fulcrum is where we're going to cap it off.
Absolutely. Just one stock that we need to focus on. Wipro, yet again, this was the alert that we put out this morning, that the buyback support is out of the way. It's seen a lot of selling in the last 30 minutes. It's going to go home, ending at the low point of the day. But time to wind down market action then today. The Nifty Bank came back in form. That was up close to around 500 points, so it's found its form finally. It was a relative outperform actually in comparison to the Nifty. From the Nifty, some non-banking names did well. That's the insurance space. HDFC Life, SBI Life, they were up and about. And Bajaj Finance as well. So all three of them the top gainers. What else did well? Dr. Reddy's and Titan, both of them, they did pretty well in today's trading session. And the big boys, HDFC Twins, that have been underperformers actually in the recent past, both of them popped up and trade. On the losing end, Wipro, as we said, the buyback support goes out. Bajaj Auto as well came in some profit, taking down close to around 2%. And TCS as well, down close to around 1.5%. But Surbi, you said the party is on in the broader markets. Who all were dancing?
The ones that have been dancing for long. Masgard Doc, look at that. Another 12.5% higher on this one. I mean, the year's tally is already 50% plus. That's just this year, 2023. Let's move on. Kalyan Jewellers, the stock that we were just talking about, 18% up after those block deals. MRPL, 7.5% on the higher side. Look at a Karur Vyasya Bank, 7% there. There's a Rights, there's a Garden Reach, there's a Mishra Dhatu. So quite a few of these PSU stocks actually managed to do quite well. Polyplex, 6% up. It's just, almost like an unending list. Remember, yesterday, hospital stocks were very, very buoyant. Today, we had some add-on names joining in. Wockhardt, 11% up. Shalby, about 6% higher. So very, very solid show from most of these names. I'll just talk about some of the newsmakers as well. Nykaa, 5% up. Ashok Leyland, some of these were obviously investor meets and the management takeaways that work very well in the market today. Ramakrishna Forgings, we're just talking about those order wins along with Titagarh Wagons, so 2 to 4% up on those stocks as well. And how can we forget the new kid on the block? IKEO Lighting lights up the street with a 42% gain at the debut. So really no problems whatsoever. The market's digested. The IT selling as well very, very well. And it is a very strong looking screen. That's how we leave trade this Friday afternoon. All right, with that, it is a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for being with us throughout the course of the week. We're going to catch you with the market action bright and early Monday morning, but don't go anywhere because our Friday special Smart Money coming up right after this break.